Huh?
The fun jet.
The fun jet. That was funny last night. You go, hey, you know what? That's a fun jet. I said, I can't.
Oh my god.
Dude, I can't see that.
Why is that all over the place?
Aileron? Did you lose the aileron perhaps?
Oh my god.
Dude, I don't want to video this no more. I don't know, you think the battery moved around in there? Is it a different weight battery?
Well landed, dude. I think it's the battery.
It's just a different weight battery than what you've been flying, or what?
No, it's not.
You can't get it to come down.
I don't want it to come down. It's showing like it's still heavy, ain't it?
Yeah.
Oh, I see. That's what I'm afraid of.
Do you got a switch flipped or something? Taking out the Expo? Can you go to low rates, Pete?
Huh?
Can you go to low rates? Or you got it on the wrong model?